The topic is the passive. In my previous class, I have already discussed about different rules of the passive, how interrogative sentence turns into passive sentence. Now we shall discuss the use of the by phrase in the passive. We have seen that the use of by plus agent phrase in most passive sentences is not necessary, but there are a few situations where the by plus the agent phrase is used in passive sentences, because the speaker here, while talking about the action, wants to provide additional information about the agent of the action. We use the by phrase in the passive sentence when the agent is an important person, means a renowned scientist, a poet, or a writer, a painter, or an artist, an inventor, or discoverer. For example, the Ramayana was written by Valmiki. Valmiki was the eminent poet in the past in Sanskrit language. So, here by Valmiki is necessary. Like this, radio was invented by Marconi. Marconi was an inventor. So, by Marconi is used. Like this, the Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Here, by Leonardo da Vinci. Da Vinci was a great painter of the world, so by phrase is necessary. We use the by phrase in the passive when the agent is an indefinite person or thing. The speaker thinks it will provide the readers with new information. For example, although the problem was very difficult, it was solved by a child. Child is an indefinite person. Like this, while the woodcutter was passing through the forest, he was suddenly killed by a tiger. So, the tiger is a indefinite thing. Next, you see by phrase in passive sentence is necessary when the agent is an inanimate or non-living thing or object, is regarded as something unusual or unexpected. The traffic in our city is manned by electrical devices. Here, inanimate, non-living things, electrical devices is a non-living things. That the hotel is run by a robot. Robot is also a non-living thing. So, by a robot is used. Dear students, now we shall see how the passive sentences are used without by-phrase. Let's now identify some such situations where the passive is used without the by-phrase. Example: stars were created million of years ago. Next, my purse has been stolen. Here, the speaker is not interested to know who creates the stars. He knows only the stars were created million of years ago. Like this sentence, my purse has been stolen. The speaker is not interested to know who stole the purse, because he is only interested to know how the purse is stolen. Next, we use the passive without by phrase when we are not interested in the agent. Speaker is not interested in the agent. For example, my dog has been killed. This car is made in India. Speaker is not interested to know who killed my dog. So, agent by phrase is not necessary here. This car is made in India. Here, the speaker is not interested to know whose company made the car. He is interested to know the car is made in India or not. Here, by phrase is not necessary. The by phrase is not used in the passive when the speaker thinks that the agent is obvious or common. The agent is obvious or common. For example, the thief was interested. The thief was arrested. Not interested, but arrested. The thief was arrested. Second, the grapes are grown in Hyderabad. The agent is obvious because the thief was arrested by the police. So, agent is necessary. It is not necessary to mention by phrase. Like this, grapes are grown in Hyderabad by farmer. So, speaker is not interested to know who grew the grapes. So he is already knows that grapes are grown in Hyderabad by farmer. So by phrase is not necessary. By phrase is not necessary when the speaker knows the agent, but he does not want to mention him. For example, for some other reason, does not want to mention him for some other reason. For example, all the biscuits have been eaten off. Mistakes were made in totaling of marks. The speaker knows the agent who has eaten the biscuits. So, he does not want to mention his name. So, by phrase is not necessary. some situations we use passive without the by phrase. For example, it is hoped that he will flourish in his business. Here, it is hoped is passive verb. It is believed that the sun is a ball of hair. Here, is believed is the passive as the verb. So, passive sentence, this passive sentence is written without the by phrase. Next, you see, we use passive sentences in official, legal, scientific, and newspaper writings and public notices. For example, the peer was punished for his late attendance in office. It is official. The criminal was at last granted bail. It is legal. Those particles are found in the air. It is scientific fact. Smoking is prohibited here. It is a public notice. 2 people are reported to have been killed in road accident. It is also newspaper writings. It is now clear that passive is usually used in scientific, legal, and official situations. We should not blindly change every active verb into a passive one. The passive is used when a context demands it. It is therefore necessary to study the context first to determine whether or not a passive is needed. Students, the grammar class today is finished. Thank you all for watching the important topic, the passive. Again, thank you all.